we go. That's a fail. Both my Radio Shack radios were off.
This is a weekly
Wait.
weather radio warning alarm device sending
Dang it!
system. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers are automatically activated to warn of the impending severe weather and or hazards for the Florida Panhandle.
Recon went off for a weather event. Just went off for.
Tests of these receivers are normally conducted every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon local time. When they were
That was a total fail. Total what?
available non-severe or non-winter day.
I know he had already.
Alarm will vary at any given location.
That was a complete fail. The 521 was off and the 261 was off.
Southwest and South Central Georgia. This concludes the weekly test of the NOAA weather radio warning alarm and emergency alert system for the entire county warning area serviced by the Tallahassee Weather
Another fail.
Office.
The version 4 didn't go off.
The coastal waters forecast for the following Appalachia Bay or coastal waters from Keaton Beach to Ocklawaha River. Today,
That was the test.